In this section, I will show you how to have filters on your product category page. So this way, if you have a lot of product, it will be way easier for people to find the product that they want. So for now, the product category page that we have is this one. We've built it into the previous section about simple category pages. As we don't have a lot of product, this is okay to not add filters. It's pretty easy to see all the product and to find the one that we want. So that's cool. But if you have a lot of product and you want to do something like Michael Kors, for example, to add some filtering here on the left, this is what I will show you right now. So for doing that, you want to go to your theme builder. And then here you want to modify your category pages template. And then here you want to modify your product category page template. Okay, so with theme builder, we want to modify the product category pages template. So click here. Then on my page, we have done a bestseller section at the top. So I will just delete it for now. And then delete the all product as well. And list of all of our product. So what you want to do is to add a new column into this row. So let's do something like this, for example. We put the product on the right. And then on the left, you want to add the sidebar module. And then it will display the sidebar here on the left. So if you have already built your sidebar before and you have multiple options, make sure that you select the correct one here in the drop-down menu. But for us on VStore, we are going to use the default sidebar. So I will just keep sidebar here. I save, and then we can save our page. Let's go back to our page and see what we have. Okay, so now we have our product on the right and we have the sidebar on the left. So now we just need to add the elements to the sidebar. So for doing that, you go out of your theme builder and then you go to My Store and Widgets. And we can customize our sidebar. So on this page, we can create widgets area, which is basically a group of blocks that can be displayed anywhere together on our website. So by default, we have a few widgets area that are already created. We have sidebar, we have areas for the footer, and if we create as much widgets areas as you want with the last option here. Okay, so for us, we are going to customize the sidebar. So I will just delete the widgets that are currently set up because we don't want these ones. You just click in that, just click on the widgets, then the three little dot here, and then remove legacy widget, and just do that for all of them. Okay, and then you click on the plus, and here you click on browse all. Here we have all the widgets that are available. So the one that we want to use are the one at the bottom into the WooCommerce category here, and have plenty of options. You can product search if you want, you can add reviews, you can add breadcrumbs and different type of filters, whether it's by price, by stock, by attribute, rating, and so on and so on. There's plenty of options that you can add to your sidebar. So for example, for us, let's see what Michael Kors is doing. So first of all, they have the category, and then they have price, then they have attributes for the colors, for the gender, size, and personalization. Okay, so you can display the product category with this module here. We just drag and drop. Okay, perfect. Here, if you write, you have a few block settings if you want, and then you can just add as many widgets as you want to create the sidebar that you want. So for example, for us, we can add the product category list, and to add the widget, you just click on it. And now it's into our sidebar. So let's add a few more. We can, for example, filter by price, and also we can filter by attributes. We can select year, done, and people will be able to filter our products by attributes, year for us, price, and they will be able to access very quickly the different category on our store. When you click on the widget, you have a few design options on the right if you want to customize it. And when you're done, you can just update it. And then after it is saved, we can go back to our page, refresh, and we have our filtering options. We have our category, we have the price, and we have the attributes. So it's a bit hard to read because our background is black. So we can change that first. Go back to the theme builder, our product category pages template, and then we want to change the color of the text. So design, title text, white, body text, white, and it should be fine. Let's save. Let's refresh our page. Okay, now we have our filtering options and people can choose what they want to see. So for example, let's filter by price. Let's say I want to see all the watches below 500 euros. Here we go. Now we have the result of our filtering. This was how you can create a category page with filtering options. Then you can add more or less widgets. It actually depends on what filtering options you want to add on your store. And that's it for this section. Now let's keep going.